Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Ramba Kajela Conrad ki Sangma henin kesngi ke khatlai dari urempang arja arpesan ulah Hiar Mawkyrwat ban pan Jingkyrshan naki patba kani ke konstituensi ya uba Carness Sohsang ubade ukertong MDC naka parti NPP hakani ke election MDC ke ban Longshan hakani kesngi Conrad Sangma ulale yu kejat bun teli ki shnong jong ke Mawkyrwat bat ulas lang ningkong naka shnong shngi mauleng bat yat ter shamau thau pada rang belang doklun maulang wer rang mau bat sakwang kumshi benta ban yo ya kendu markmat bat yo sngowi ke jing e jogi nong shong shnong kani ka constituency hakani kesngi Conrad ke Sangma ula yo apdyang shibun ki dor khas na ki shnong bat ki kenhon bapher nak benta ki kampen roy bat ba Jingkyrshan Conrad Sangma ula kentui ki patba ka Mawkyrwat constituency bakin penjob yang ya uba Carness hakani ka kenti bamenta dak babendra pru bau ba Carness Sohsang ude unong yalam ubala i bha bat ubat bet ban yalam ya constituency
to see with my own eyes the village, to meet all of you, to hear with my own ears the problems that you're facing. And that's why I thank God for leading me and bringing me here. And I thank Carness for making this program possible so that I could come here and see all of you, visit your village. I don't know if other chief ministers have come before or not. First time. So I'm the lucky one. I am the lucky one to have that honor of being the first chief minister to come to your village. So it's a great honor for me, and I'm very happy, very tired, but very happy. We have already had, I think, 8 or 9 meetings now. We have one more meeting, and I'll be reaching Delhi at 2 o'clock in the morning. And then again, 7 o'clock tomorrow morning, I'll be going to Uttarakhand. But anyway, this is part of our life. But I'm so happy, as I said, to be here. Carness has been working very hard, and as a leader, a very humble man, a very approachable man. And I urge all of you that the quality of the leadership has to be seen. What kind of humility the person has, the character of the person. And I think Carness has got all the qualities of being a good and a humble and a capable leader. And I feel that all of you should always keep that in mind and support him in every way possible. There will be many people who will come and say many things. Election is, you know how. All kinds of lecture is given. All kind of negative talk is given. All kind of talk that is, all about dividing people, society, and blaming others. I don't believe in that politics. And I don't like that kind of politics. I believe in positive politics. I believe that we are here for a purpose. We are here to serve the people. God has given us this opportunity for a reason. And I don't want to be wasting my time talking bad about others. I don't believe that. We have limited time, we will do good as much as possible. And today is a chance for me to do that. I was so happy when our Mantri told me and told all of us that very large programs both from the Church of God as well as from the Presbyterian Church will be happening in 28. So therefore we will work together. I assure you we will work together to make it successful.
This initiative of organizing this meeting. Friends, as you are aware that very soon there will be district council elections on February 21st, and I want to share with you that this election is very crucial and very important for the constituency and for the village and for the people of this area, because this is an opportunity for you to work directly with the government and work directly with the Chief Minister. As a government, there are many programs that we want to do. But without having representatives for my party, without having leaders through whom I can work, it is sometimes very difficult for me to give the developments, even though we want to give them. And therefore, this election is about the development of Mawkyrwat constituency as a whole and Mawkyrwat village in specific. And as you know, many political parties come, they give all kinds of negative speech and lecture where they will insult the government, they will insult the chief minister, they will give all negative comments, they will always try to divide the society and the people, and they play that kind of negative politics. I don't believe in negative politics. But the reason I'm telling you this is because once the election is over on February 24th and the result is out, all these lectures and speech given by all these political parties and negative will all be over. But after February 24th, the NPP government will still be there. And it is this NPP government that will work with you. In good times, in bad times, we will work together along with Carness to ensure that we are able to bring a change and bring development, the development that you deserve. I was just speaking to my tourism minister, everything, the boss is there. So when boss says yes, then I will do, no problem. So you have to convince the boss. So Carness is the boss here. So he will decide on how I should work. And all I can tell you is that as per his direction and instructions, I will do whatever it takes to implement these different schemes and projects and improve the overall development scenario here in the constituency. But as I said, it is very important that we work together and not be taken, on the side by political parties who are trying to, as I said, divide us and trying to create a negative environment in society, which is something that I really don't appreciate and I don't like. As I said, we are here to serve the people. We are here to bring development for the people. We are here to make life better for the people and not throw dirt and talk negative and bad things about other political parties. I don't think that is healthy politics. And I don't like that kind of negative politics. So we as a party, we believe in positive politics and we will ensure that we are able to work together. But for that, I will need all your support. And in this coming election, I once again request and urge all of you to work in support of Carness in this coming election on the NPP symbol and the NPP ticket.
Padela ni ki nonon repeat lang ya kajing bejing biang barkhan. Sama kata ngi sudan dok ko chimit sang dan ni padwan la kata wat nom suai penban ngam tong ina tap ti biang nan tai chimit sa ju ba ajar. Pada tukun no ekali kajing kran chunga pada ke ek bangi mud ban ba nginang don sipun ke por ban pre bat pilara pidang ailat yangi banyalam ni kani kadong than. Lara bidang ailat banyalam ni kani kadong than nginang don sipun ban pre bat chimit sar khadika sorkar nginang don salais nem sorkar bas kem lai pu armut labiang pura ban form sorkar menurut kamsu nakamon nakadian simasal insakren sepang kata kumno bangin long ka jingking ke prunon we are the bridge to the government to the chief minister dan bar tang song ba hakani kapor wat nom so na kumkran ni kata bar ngatip ba himdei bandu ikani ka chance kini kilais nem kisaus nem himdei bandu ikani ka kabuk siar ba manga bat maping ni trilang banyo tang pentulun yang kibun ke bar ko chief minister sai kran nu se tu pi sepang kanika atletik track ke jompi pa bening don hang ni tip tharai la budin ni udang oi nga ngina penkrek ngina plan kuno bangin pen ulong no ya kini keboi bat lada pirang ai ka ketika mon ketika dia yang kasokar ban ai ya ka bor ban tre ngin le lada pi mai bor tin le no kata di sisa terma kata ki jing mutoi jong ni kasinang kinang tuoi na kani ko na ko pos ko pat ko nginom du jing kuman kule sibun e pi kule se jango.
Which is the athletic track which is used in national games and Olympics and other places of international standards, worth 13.01 crore has been sanctioned under the NESED scheme under donor ministry here in Sakmang village. So this sanction has already been done, and I think tendering will take place in about a week's 10 days time, and hopefully this will again be one of the good centers for us to be able to, at least we'll try our best, because there's a bit of distances there, but we'll try that some disciplines should also come to Southwest Khasi Hills, so that our people here can also be involved in the national games. So we are trying to build up infrastructure for sports and for national games, and also for Meghalaya games as much as possible, and this is one step towards it, and Sakwan village is one of the beneficiaries of that, and a 13 crore stadium, as I said, will be built out here. Take care of all of them. So I have to see how to manage, so I will have to give, and but as I said, when it comes to, especially for the church and especially for education and health, these are areas which I don't normally compromise. So I'm happy to help, and as per Carness's instructions and guidance, I am sanctioning this amount, so that it will be of help even during this particular synod that will be happening, and I hope we'll be able to join also. We have assembly session going on till 13th, but it is a Sunday, of course, so we should be able to come. It's a March 8th and 9th, no? Yeah, Sunday is 9th, no? Yeah. Yeah. So it's the 9th March, I think it should be Sunday, so we should be able to come, and we'll try our best. I'll be informing everyone also about it.